party time, you guys. I am so excited. I have created this Christmas party look. This is like the perfect, the red carpet ready face, and I'm gonna slay the Christmas party with this particular makeup look right here. So in this particular video, I have partnered up with Faces Canada. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I'm using all their products to create this beautiful look right here. So I'm using the ULTIMEPRO HD range. So the ULTIMEPRO HD range is like a one-stop for all your faces. So I'm gonna use all their products today to create this beautiful look right here. So let's quickly get started. But before going, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you guys get notified every single time I upload a video. Now let's get started. Hi guys, so let's get started. I'm gonna start off with foundation. For foundation, I'm using the Faces Canada ULTIMEPRO HD Runway Ready Foundation, and I'm in the shade 04 Sand. Now I want to talk a little bit about this foundation. So this particular foundation has like 40% formula infused with red orange extract. Now it protects, perfects and improves the skin. Gold particles render a natural radiance and formulated best for Indian skin, as well as this hides imperfections. Also, I wanted to show you what the texture and how the formula is. It's a medium to full coverage foundation. Firstly, it does come with a pump, and I just want to show you, like you can see, it's pretty lightweight on the skin and it blends out very well. As you can see, it's like a medium to full coverage. You will see once I apply it on my skin. And I'm gonna use a blender. I'm just gonna take this foundation directly on my sponge and just stamp it into my skin. It's a very lightweight foundation. As you can see, it has pretty much covered all my imperfections. So as you can see, the coverage is like pretty much like a medium to full coverage. Almost all my imperfections are covered. It has this beautiful natural radiant finish, and it's super duper lightweight on the skin. It doesn't feel like I've applied any foundation. So that's the best part. I don't want my foundation to feel very heavy on my skin. So yeah, and this is my perfect match as well. It like matches my skin tone to the T. As you can see, there's no difference in the actual skin color and my skin color. So this particular foundation will last on my skin for almost 8 hours, which is a good amount of time for my oily skin type, and it stays like that. It doesn't cake up, it doesn't crease, it just looks like skin. I love that about this foundation. So if you're looking for a good foundation, I highly suggest this particular one. Try this one out, you will actually like it. Now let's move on to concealing. For concealer, I'm using the Faces Canada ULTIMEPRO HD Cover Up Concealer in the shade medium. So I'm going to apply this concealer under my eyes to hide my dark circles in a triangular region, just like that. And I'm also going to apply this on my eyelids just to even out the color. And I'm also going to apply this concealer right on my chin, around my mouth just a little bit, and also on the bridge of my nose and my forehead, like basically my T-zone, just to highlight it a little bit. This particular concealer is actually a very full coverage creamy concealer. As you can see, it has covered up my dark circles completely, and it's also gonna highlight under my eyes, so that way my features will come forward. And then I'm gonna quickly set my entire base makeup with the Faces Canada ULTIMEPRO HD Finishing Touch Setting Powder. powder is like a translucent powder and it's super duper light, so it's just gonna set. It's not gonna alter the color of your foundation or the concealer that you've applied. And you can even keep this in your purse to touch up during the day. This is really good for that as well. Since you all have seen me so many times doing my eyebrows, I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back. So I'm gonna quickly finish off my face makeup. For that, I'm gonna start by applying blush, and the blush that I'm using is the Faces Canada Ultime Pro HD Lights Camera Blush, and this is in the shade Blossom 01. I'm just gonna apply it right at the apples of my cheeks, and I'm gonna apply it upwards just to lift my cheeks up a little bit. This particular blush is like really pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way. And as you can see, it's such a beautiful blush with a slight glow, so it looks beautiful on the skin. And I'm also going to just apply a little bit on my nose to give a little bit of color, a little bit on my chin as well. And instantly my skin is looking so beautiful just by applying a little bit of blush. Okay, and obviously I'm not going to be ready for a Christmas party without some highlighter. I'm going to be using the Faces Canada Ultime Pro HD All That Glow Highlighter in the shade Glaze 02. So I switched up the highlighter and I used the shade Glare 01. This is a beautiful pinky tone highlight. I feel like this goes better with this particular makeup. A little bit on my forehead, a little bit on my nose, a little bit on like pretty much everywhere. I'm also gonna just take a fluffy brush and the same highlighter. I'm gonna apply this all over my eyelids just to give it a little bit of a glow and that pinky tone that this highlighter has. So I'm gonna apply this all over my eyelids. Don't forget to like tap out the excess from your brush. And then I'm going to take the Glaze 02 and apply this in my inner corners. And also on my brow bone. That's it that I'm gonna do for my eyes. I'm gonna complete my eye makeup with some mascara, and this is the Faces Canada Ultime Pro HD Whopper Lashes Mascara. I'm gonna apply lots and lots of this. So first I'm gonna curl my lashes. And as you can see, this particular mascara giving so much volume. Mascara makes a world of a difference. So yeah, mascara is a must, you guys. And then I'm gonna finish off this entire look by red lipstick. Obviously, it's a Christmas party. It is not gonna be complete without a red lip. So I'm gonna be using the Faces Canada Ultime Pro HD Intense Matte Lips Plus Primer in the shade Blood Moon and Red Bouquet. So I'm gonna apply this Blood Moon shade, which is like a darker red shade, on the outer corners of my mouth, and then right in the center I'm going to apply this particular shade called as Red Bouquet. I absolutely love the formula on these Ultime Pro HD Matte Lips Plus Primer. These are one of my favorite matte lipsticks to wear on an everyday basis, and this particular shade is just so beautiful. This is such a perfect combination of a red lipstick. Oh wow, I love the pouty effect that this particular combination gave me. final result. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I would love to see your thoughts, and also if you do happen to recreate this look, don't forget to tag me so that I can repost it and see what your beautiful recreations are. So yeah, this is my hashtag red carpet ready face for the Christmas party. Don't forget to check out all the products from Faces Canada because they are for all your faces. Now I'm gonna go and I'll see y'all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye!